The Battle of Camlann, traditionally dated to around 537 AD, is a legendary conflict associated with King Arthur and the end of his reign. It is widely regarded as the final battle in Arthurian lore, marking the collapse of Arthur's kingdom and his eventual death. While its historicity is debated, the battle is a pivotal element in medieval British mythology. According to legend, the battle arose from a bitter conflict between Arthur and his nephew, or sometimes son, Mordred, who had betrayed him and usurped the throne. The reasons for the feud vary across sources, with some citing treachery and others internal strife within Arthur's court. Camlann culminated in a bloody confrontation, resulting in catastrophic losses for both sides. In the melee, Arthur is said to have killed Mordred, but he himself was mortally wounded. After the battle, Arthur was taken to the mythical Isle of Avalon, where, according to legend, he either died or remains in a magical sleep, awaiting Britain's hour of greatest need. The Battle of Camlann symbolizes the tragic downfall of an idealized kingdom. Though its factual basis remains uncertain, it continues to captivate as a tale of heroism, betrayal, and the end of an era in British folklore.